Hello dear traders, we are glad to welcome you on ИнстаФорекс TV channel. You are watching the weekly link up with me, Tahmina Salomova. So we are going to discuss the ongoing situation in the Forex market and forecast further dynamics of popular trading instruments. Technical analyst Petar Yakimowicz will give us his expert advice. Hi Petar, this week some big market moving events influenced the euro-dollar pair. The US dollar was trading under pressure for the whole week as investors prefer the cautious approach until the event of great importance, the inauguration of the 45th US president. Meanwhile, the single European currency took advantage of the situation to gain ground. What further dynamic do you expect for the euro-dollar pair?
Hello there traders. I'm expecting upward movement on the euro versus dollar. I found according to the daily time frame, the price is basically trading above the 10 simple moving average and trading above the 21, and also price most recently broke the 50 simple moving average according to the daily time frame. So we can say that short-term momentum is upward, and my advice is absolutely watch only for buying opportunities. The price also broke according to the daily time frame the resistance. We got about 6 to 7 days. The price traded in some, let's say, trading range, and finally a few days ago the price actually broke that from for upside, and my target levels are set at the price of 1.0730, and that's a Fibonacci experiment 100%, and the next upward target, the price breaks the first one, is at the price of 1.0870, where I found the Fibonacci expansion 161.8%. So, due to the upward momentum according to short-term perspective and broken resistance, my advice to watch for buying opportunities with a first target 1.0730.
The economic calendar this week contained a series of important events. Apart from the euro, the pound sterling has been a strong performer. The British currency strengthened against the US dollar on Wednesday. From your viewpoint, what direction the pound-dollar pair will follow?
I'm expecting bullish British pound versus US dollar. Price is trading above the 10 and above the 21 simple moving average, but a 50 simple moving average is on the test, and that's the reason why I will advise you basically to be neutral at this stage on the British pound USD, but to watch and pay attention on the level of 1.2415, because this is a resistance where the price stopped after the massive upward day. The price stopped at the 1.2415. We also created an up fractal at that exact high, and my advice is absolutely to watch for a potential breakout of 1.2415 for a further upward continuation. So if the price goes above 1.2415, watch for buying opportunities with the targets at 1.2510 and 1.2675. In case the price cannot go higher and the price refusing to go above this level, the price may go lower and try to absorb this massive bullish day. But again, due to the upward momentum, the short-term perspective, my advice is absolutely watch only for buying opportunities if the price goes above 1.2415.
Recently, the Japanese yen also reinforced against the US dollar that aroused concerns among analysts about the condition of Japan's economy. At present, the situation changed sharply and the dollar-yen pair reversed upwards. How long will the bullish trend continue?
I'm expecting lower price on the USD versus Japanese yen. The reason of this is after a strong upward momentum in the background, on the shorter perspective, the price changed behavior in the past few days, actually from the past week. I found that price actually managed to go below 10 and 21 simple moving average, which are very short-term sensitive moving averages. And right now, actually, the price testing the simple moving average, the 10 simple moving average, which is at the 114.80 level. So as long as we're trading below the 10 and 21, the short-term, let's say, trend momentum is on the downside. So I absolutely advise you to watch for selling opportunities as long as the price is trading below 10 and 21 on the daily perspective. So my advice, actually, I placed a Fibonacci retracement, major Fibonacci retracement for the very low according to the time frame, and I found that 38.2% is set at 111.20 level. So this is the potential target profit for the sell position on a short-term perspective. So again, due to the bearish short-term momentum and the trend, and due to the testing basically of this simple margin 10, my advice to watch for selling opportunities on the pullbacks on this currency pair.
The EURUSD is trading next to Thursday's high. Could please share your forecast for this pair?
I'm expecting lower price on the euro versus New Zealand dollar. I found that this currency pair actually respecting the supply and demand zones very successfully, and according to the 4-hour time frame, basically I placed a Fibonacci expansion tool to project potential downward targets, and I found basically that there is a 161.8 Fibonacci expansion awaiting at the price of 1.4730, and there is also low near the 1.4690. So these are let's say short-term downward targets. So my advice is absolutely watching this currency pair for selling opportunities on the pullbacks, and try to catch this low and this Fibonacci expansion of 161.8%.
Thank you, Peter, for your valuable recommendations. See you next Friday. You watched the weekly link up on ИнстаФорекс TV channel with me, Tahmina Salomova, and ИнстаФорекs technical experts Peter Yakimovic. We wish you great and full trading. Don't miss our next edition.